Magandang hapon dito sa atin sa Europa. Diyan sa Pilipinas, alam ko, ngayon ay hating gabi na yan dyan. Napakaganda ng panahon ngayon kasi meron siyang araw at saka welcome to Europa! Meron isang katanungan sa akin na naan ka na po. Okay, so sasagutin ko ang iyong katanungan para sa inyong lahat. Si Bukaderong Maestro po ay nandito na ngayon sa bansang Europa. Opo, nasa Europa na po tayo. Wala na tayo dyan sa Pilipinas. Ako'y sobrang nagpapasalamat talaga doon sa mga taong nasa likuran ng aking success. Yung pagkapunta ko dito sa bansang Europa. Hindi ko na po kayo isa-isahin. Alam nyo kung sino kayo. Isang mapagpalang hapon para sa ating lahat. At isa pa siyang katanungan sa atin. Sabi niya sa akin, worth it ba na mag-abroad? Yes! Super worth it. Okay, paano ko nasabi yan? Ganito yon ha. Hindi po lahat ng may kagustuhan na hello na may kagustuhan na magpunta ng mga ibang bansa ay nagkakaroon ng magandang tawag dito kapalaran o kaya magandang yun na nga kapalaran pagdating dito sa bansang kanyang gustong puntahan. Alright? Yeah.
English?
Yeah, English. What's that?
On YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube.
What is your name?
Yeah, okay, alright. Sige. Okay.
Dzień dobry.
That's making vlog for my YouTube channel. In the Philippines. Yeah, yeah, I'm Filipino. Oh, nice to meet you. Your name?
Liliana.
Oh, Liana. And you?
Marta.
Mat. Oh, they're very beautiful. Alright. I have to pause for a while this moment for you guys because I have to give to them my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Good morning, people in the Philippines. It's afternoon here in Poland. And I guess it's evening in the Philippines, and I don't know if you're still awake. Right beside me I have two locals. They are native of this place, very beautiful place, and I really appreciate their appreciation on myself that they asked about my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, these guys are very amazing, they are beautiful. Okay, so for everybody, my name is Jaime in the Philippines, and also I'm a Filipino also. And you, what is your name please?
Liliana.
Nice meeting you, Liliana. You are
too.
very beautiful. And yet, do you have any friends Filipino?
No.
No. So from now on, we are officially friends.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Look at, they are very friendly guys. Liliana is very friendly and very beautiful. And your name, please?
Marta.
Marta. Nice meeting you. Oh, look at, they are very pretty girls.
Thank you.
I guess you can compete in English.
Oh.
I was amazed. Everybody was bringing flowers. I can see. What's
Today
the significance?
is the Woman Day.
Oh, Happy Women's
Thank
Day!
you.
Happy Women's Day here.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Again, happy Women's Day.
Thank you.
Okay. Can you say hi or hello to my?
Dzień
What is
dobry.
this? Can you say Bukaderong Maestro?
Bocadero.
Yeah, Maestro.
Bocadero Maestro.
Oh, very good. You speak yeah, that one. Yeah. You. Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry. Thank you very much. Love you guys. Alright guys. Thank you very much for keep standby. Kanina merong dalawang lokal na lumapit sa atin because they want to know about my YouTube channel. Yun na nga. balik doon tayo sa usapin natin kasi what is this? Yung katanungan na worth it ba? Okay? Ito yung masasabi ko sa inyo. Para sa aking karanasan, dito is super worth it. Bakit ko nasabing super worth it? Itong country sa Europa na napuntahan ko ay super religious. Anywhere, everywhere, you can see the images of our Almighty God. Don't know kung ano man yung country na napuntahan nyo. Siyempre, iba-iba po yung karanasan natin. So, meron namang nagsasucceed, meron namang hindi. Pero sa karanasan ko, almost 6 months here, then I'm working. Then naman yung ating napuntahan talaga. At saka super blessed naman tayo sapagkat giniya talaga tayo sa taas na tayo ay napunta sa magandang lugar. Okay? So para sa akin, super worth it. Alright? So naway nasagot ko ang iyong katanungan sa hapong ito. Or ko sa inyo, kanya-kanya tayong kapalaran ng ating napupuntahang country. Alright? Hello. Dzień dobry. Kanya-kanya tayong kapalaran na napupuntahan, ika nga, di ba? At saka itong lugar na napuntahan ko talaga, super blessed talaga ako kasi lahat ng mga people na nandito are very nice. They are very friendly. Is a country which least crime and talagang napakaganda. Super talaga. Super duper blessed. Ayun. So maraming salamat sa inyong tiwala at saka sa panonood nyo sa aking channel. Pasensyahan na po nyo kung ngayon lang tayo medyo nakakapag-update kasi kailangan pa akong gawin dito na kailangan muna natin medyo, alam nyo na yon. So later, nandito na tayo parati sa inyong harapan, makikipag-update ako sa inyo. Kung I have to say goodbye again, a great afternoon here, and for now, bye-bye!